Hey everyone, Kelly Frisch here with United Country Banning Junction in northern Minnesota. I am sitting on Highway 61 at Miller Road between Hinckley and Sandstone, about to head out to a new land listing that I have for sale. It's located just under 2 miles off of 61, tar road up until here, and then about a little less than 2 miles on the gravel. The Munger Trail runs right here for biking in the summer, snowmobiling in the winter. It's a recreational lot that I have down the road here, 2.36 acres. Nice location, probably 5-10 minutes from I-35 and about an hour and a half maybe north of the cities. Sandstone and Hinckley both offer a lot of traffic today. Hinckley and Sandstone both offer all amenities you could need up here, grocery stores, restaurants, banking, churches. Sandstone has a hospital. Hinckley, of course, has the casino, so very convenient location here. We're just north of Friesland. I'm about to head out to the land, so let's go check that out. Alright, so here we are on Woodpecker Lane in Sandstone, the lot that just went up for sale yesterday. This is 2.36 acres. It's a recreational lot. Could be used for camping. You could clear it out and build a cabin or a home back there too. Heavily wooded, mature trees, mostly popple, maple, some others kind of scattered throughout in there. There is a driveway approach on the far property line. Got 239 feet of frontage on the road. Woodpecker is a public road, township road, gravel. Driveway approach here at the end. Kind of brings you in a little bit. You can see heavily wooded, real tall trees. Quiet spot. Could be cleared out. There is an old camping site back in towards the middle of the lot. Could be cleared back up, and you could use it again for camping, or if you wanted to build a cabin or a home back there. Alright, so that is the lot that is for sale here on Woodpecker Lane. If it's something that you're interested in taking a peek at, give me a call, 763-300-6334, or you can shoot me an email at upnorthagentmn@gmail.com. Thanks!